Let's get rounds on something. Yeah, Leander will be turning out, I guarantee it. Alright, get up here in a spot where I can kite. Might have let him too much. Guns seem to be a little bit more accurate than my Massachusetts. Going broadside a little bit, but that's alright. We'll just get by it. Alright, we weathered that okay. Yep. Now I have a good angle and I get out if I have to. Oh, that'd be cool if we could smoke that Leander. That was so cute, bud. Almost made it. Oh, this Fuso's gonna get it. Yeah, the guns are pretty sick, man. Wasn't really impressed by that salvo, but firing at turpits. Just hanging out there. Turpits must be AFK. It kind of sucks for their team. Yeah, I don't know what's going on with that, but that's kind of nonsense. Alright, get on the throttle a little bit. Get turned around. We pretty much own this flank. Just gotta watch out for that DD. Oh shit, faster than I thought. Yeah, they look a lot better. Bad day to be a Fuso. That's one ship I don't own. What are the secondaries on this? 5 kilometers. Oh. Oh shit! That Bismarck just got lit up. Am I really gonna have to gun down this DD, man? Come on, Newberg, I need you, man. Come on, guns, 10 seconds. Ugh! Still should be able to get the cap, though. Really want to sling AG, but that's all I got. I'll get a die hard on this guy. Oh, kill that DD. Kill the DD. Yeah, the guns on this thing are pretty badass, man. Choke that Manny with AP. Choke it! Gotta watch out for torps. Turn into him. Turn into the Manny. Now can we get a third kill? Ah, torp beat like a boss. This ship's fun, man. The guns are a lot more accurate than my Massachusetts. I kind of like that. Totally digging that. Torps for the Manny. Cool. Wanted that third kill. spot this Manny, that'd be awesome. Oh, he's behind the rock. Come on, give me a shot. Don't steal my kill. Come on, Manny, show yourself. Show yourself. He's gonna be sending torps. Most likely, if he backed up like that. Come on, give me the kill. Give me the kill. Give me the kill. Oh. Wow, those guns are bullshit accurate. Look at that dispersion, man. That's freaking awesome. Maybe we can kill a CV. We got the time. Oh, he died. Holy crap. Ah, I don't know how fast he can go. 31. He's gonna outrun it. Shit. Should have looked at the other line. I should have known better too. It says it right there. 31.5 knots. Sorry, 11 seconds will get him. Just turn it in. Ram him. Dude, how sick would that be if I could kill that CV with a ram? I don't think that's gonna happen. My teammates will kill him off before I get a chance. Well, just finish it off. And this. Oh, well, that's all you're gonna give me? Alright. Somebody else is gonna steal this kill, bastards. Yeah. Oh well, still a good first game. First game in the NC. I'll take that any day. Kinda sucks their turpits when AFK though. I mean, that's bullshit, really. Even if you're fighting against them, I don't care. There's no reason for that crap. I normally don't report people either, but that's nonsense. Yeah, he was going for Kraken. Yeah, he had a good game. Cool. Yeah, the guns on this are pretty sick, man.